So friends, in this lecture we're gonna go on learn about this like how to change the effects and do some filter and just the hue, saturation, the exposure, the contrast, humidity, clarity, whiteness, blackness, brightness. We do all these things change. Okay, the color part in using one tool. So actually this tool name is the camera raw filter. You can find it here. Just click. Okay, so it will load my whole image because I didn't have selected a part. You can select a part, you can change the hue, saturation, just like the camera raw filters on that part, but we are going to apply this to whole image. So just like the in the previous lecture we're going to learn just how to change the uh, only one part of the image, just to the black and white the whole image, and just remain the same on the one or two parts. So we are going to change these things using this tool. Okay, so just click on just like in the here SL in the grayscale. So you see here's my the color tone of this model is the orange. So with the orange you just decrease this one, so it's all done. You see the orange part is dull and the remaining part will same. Okay, so just like this her lips, they are just like to be red, so you can change her lip color using this tool. Okay, you see just like this the hue saturation, and using I'm gonna show you how to change this in just like details, just the hue. Okay, and this is the red one and you can change it its color like this. Okay, you see how easy we just change his her lip color, and this is the orange. You can change her skin tone using this. Okay, just like this is the her hair's color, you can change her hair color too. Okay, so using this tool, the HSL grayscale, we're gonna change the one part, just like here I done, just the color, the skin tone. You can change the color, just select the color range and you can change it using the hue saturation tool. So just come to the basic one. Okay, so this is our, as you see, the tint, temperature, exposure. We're gonna just change its exposure, or you can just click on the auto to change the auto. Okay, the default one is this one, and we're going to change it by ourselves. So just the exposure, we just increase some exposure and decrease some contrast. Oh no, okay, so just increase. Okay, we will decrease it. The highlights, okay, and the shadow. Okay, adjust these parts like this. The whiteness and the blackness. All right, you see how much my image will change. Okay, I'm gonna show you just like the difference between my original and this is my that I changed. Okay, so you can just change it, let's say the full screen, and you can change just like here. Okay, the one part, see only the part cover under the circle is changed. Okay, and the remaining will be the color. So you can use these tools also. And this is the same, just like in the line. You see the difference, the area comes under this one is the brighter and the another one is the lower, so you can use this tool too. Alright, and this is the perspectives and the white balance tool. Alright, and this is the target adjust. If you want to target this like this, just don't release your key, hold down your key and just increase the color and decrease just like this, just adjust the lights according to this using this tool. So just hold your left key and just drag it like this and upper for the darkness. Okay, so just release at this point. Okay, so and this is the hue saturation that we learned, just the highlights, the lights in the image. Okay, the darkness, shadow, and this is the sharpening amount, just like if you want to sharpen the image, you see how my image is sharp. Okay, so this is like the details part, the masking part. You're gonna change this one too also, just like the noise reduction. Actually we don't have any noise in this image. Okay, and this is the HCl that we learned, and this is the hue saturation part. If you're going to change it, then you can change like the shadows. We don't have a shadow here, and they don't have the highlights. Okay, so this is the lens correction, the effects. If you're going to change this effect like this, okay, so you can just like the grain one, you can increase this one. You see the spots on my image. So you can change all these things. Just like here is the camera calibration, you can just increase or decrease this one. Just like tint, the red primary part. Okay, and this is the preset, this is the nothing, and just okay, and it will change my image just like this. See, I'm gonna just change my complete image using one tool.